This video is about session 3, hide, unhide, freeze, rows and columns. Microsoft Excel has gained huge popularity owing to its various useful features. While working on Excel, many times it happens that you need to remove some of its rows or columns but not delete it permanently. There may be a lot of reasons why you need to hide data. For example, sometimes you may want to compare data of two columns rows which are at some distance. In that case, you will be requiring to hide the columns rows in between so that you can compare and analyze data properly. Sometimes while working on some important data or salary details, you would like to keep that data from not being seen by others or to appear in printed reports. In that case, you need to hide data temporarily. Now let me see how can we use hide or unhide feature. In our worksheet, I want to hide Rahul details. For that, we have to follow the steps. First of all, we have to select the row or column that we want to hide. Now click on the Home tab and then move to the Cell group and click on the Format option. A drop down list will appear. Click on Hide and Unhide. Click on Hide and Unhide. Now we have different options: hide rows, hide columns, hide sheets, unhide rows, unhide columns. Now I want to hide the row. Click on Hide Rows. Now you can see that the selected row is not visible now. Similarly, we can use the same method for hiding any columns or set of rows or columns. This is the hide option. Now to unhide the hidden rows, select the row before or after the hidden rows and select the Format. Then again move to the Hide, Unhide and move to the Unhide Rows. Click on Unhide Rows. Now you can see that Rahul's detail is visible to the sheet. So in this way we can use hide or unhide feature. Now let me see how can we freeze rows and columns. Excel 2010 provides another wonderful feature to freeze rows and columns. Sometimes while scrolling through the large worksheet, you want the headers to remain constant, so that while entering data you should not commit errors. Excel provides the facility to freeze pans and split your worksheet that make it easier to view content from different parts of a worksheet at the same time. Now let me see how can we use freeze option. For that we have to move to the View tab. On the View tab we have Window group. In Window group we have Freeze Pans. Here you can see that three options are there. Freeze Pans, it keeps rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. Second is Freeze Top Row and third option is Freeze First Column. Let me see how can we freeze the top row and freeze the first column. To freeze the top row, click on the Freeze Top Row. Now if I move to the worksheet, our first row is freezed. So in the same way we can freeze the column, first column. Click on the Freeze Pan and freeze first column. Now if I move to left or right, right side, our first column is freezed. So in this way we can use freeze, rows and column. So this is our session 3, hide, unhide, freeze, rows and columns.